What is going on, kid family? Welcome back to the channel. This is episode 4 on Will They Fit? And on these episodes, what I'm talking about is all the wheel setups that I've ran on my 8th gen Honda Civic. I talk about the pros, the cons of the wheel setup, was it worth getting, and should you get it if you're interested in doing a setup like this. So guys, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing below, hit that bell notification. Let's get it. Alright, so episode 4, we are talking about the 04 to 06 Acura TL base wheels. Now, these were a basic Fat 5 spoke design. These ran in 17 by 8 inches wide with a 45mm offset. Not a bad size for 8th gen Civic. It is a little bit wider than a factory SI wheel by an inch. And definitely you can fit more rubber on here. The factory Acura rims came with a 235/45/17 tire. Now, although on the Acura that was the base tire, as you guys can see in the photos following, a 235 tire is a little bit excessive. It's way too meaty for our 8th gen Civics. So let's get on to the slideshow. I'm going to show you pictures of the car and how it looked like with these Acura TL wheels. Once installed, you guys can clearly see that the wheels do have a unique look on the 8th gen Civic. The big fat 5-spoke design is definitely nice. It's very easy to install these wheels since the wheels fit directly onto our hub. It has the same hub size bore. Look at the dimensions here. This is on factory suspension. The front is pretty much right on par. The back as well. The tires are a little bit thicker than I would like them to be on the 8th gen Civic. If you were to lower your vehicle, most likely you would be rubbing, especially in the front. Definitely would recommend a 225/45 for this, or a 235/40 to drop it down a little bit more. But overall, if you want to just directly bolt it on, keep it as is, not too bad for a winter spare. If you want to do the stance life or drop it a little bit, definitely get the thinner profile tire. But overall, I was quite happy with these wheels. Here we got some more shots from the rear quarter panel. Definitely on point with the quarter panels or the fender, as is with the 235s. See, imagine if you dropped it a little bit, you could definitely see that the front end you would have some problems with the rubbing. But the rear, with a drop, the wheels will camber in, so you should clear the rear quarter panel. However, I was rolled, so I didn't have any problems. And the wheels do give you a wider stance, and the 235 series tires do provide more grip because there's more rubber on the ground. I do feel that the tire is one size too large, and it does delay the steering input feedback just a little bit. My recommendation would be a 225/45/17 for this setup. And here's a video that I had, old video of the car with the wheels set up on it. Alright guys, and there you have it. That is the summary of the Acura TL wheels, first generation on the 8th gen Civic. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys get a better idea or understanding if this is something you want to run in your 8th gen. If you did run these in your car, leave a comment below. Let me know if you guys like this setup on your car or not. And again guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along.